If you were local, my friend, I would have given it myself. No, they'll ring you. The driver will always ring you. So he'll ring you on the day with a new PA. He'll give you an idea that I'll get there around about between 2 and 3 or something like that. And if you're out and you show time to drop the child off or pick him up, you just say that okay, I'm just out for about half an hour, picking my son up from school, and we can come up with time. Yeah. Yeah. No, understand. Yeah. As soon as we can dispatch it early, maybe. Yeah. So if there's an issue with the car, then you've got an option of either we rectify the issue and there's something major, then you can reject the vehicle. Then you can return the vehicle. Yeah. But only if there's an issue with the car. You can't say that I'm sorry, it's on the line.
Eat it while it's hot.
Oh, no. I've tested it myself. The engagement is fine. Yeah, it is. Yeah? No, you can test it again. Yeah.